Hello and welcome to my kitchen. This is Jordana. We are here today, another day, for another easy peasy recipe, delicious. Today is the turn of croquetas de bacalao or cod croquettes, and they're gonna be so easy and so nice. It's going to be unbelievable. And the way we start is we put some oil on the pan and we heat it up. Once hot, we're going to add the onions, chopped, and we'll let it cook a bit. And now we're going to add the chopped garlic, and it goes. We mix. And now we're going to add the salted cod, which I have chopped finely so it cooks quick. The salted cod I have put in water for about a day and a half, more or less. They say that 16 hours is good for the salted cod to get rid of the excess salt. So put it heat up, and we're gonna let it cook for a short while in the pan. Right, so it has been cooking for about 5 minutes. My onions are translucent. Cod seems to be cooking nice and smelling cooked. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the flour. And when we add the flour and we mix it, we're gonna let it cook, the flour, so the croquettes don't get that flavor uncooked that they would get otherwise. So let's give it a few minutes. And also I omitted to say, check well your cod before putting it in the pan, because you don't want any bones to go in there. It will be disastrous. I once got a cod bone stuck in my throat, and that was horrendous. I was about 11 and I ended up in A&E. It was not nice at all. So we'll let it cook for a few minutes and then we'll add the milk. Right, it's cooked for a few minutes now, and I'm going to start adding the milk. We'll add the milk slowly. I'll pour it directly from the carton. I know some people will say add this much milk, etc, etc. I add as I go. That's how my mom taught me, because my mom never had measurements for almost anything. So I'll keep on adding until I make bechamel sauce. So my bechamel is getting a consistency now, you can see. It's really good. I'm going to add a bit of salt and nutmeg. I don't know at which stage people usually add this, but I usually do it at this one. This is pink salt, so don't worry, it won't be as salty as the other ones. And a bit of nutmeg. Not coming out. Just a little bit to give you a bit of flavor, and we mix well. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like this. This is going to be delicious. You know what? When you do a batch like this, you can make your croquettes and freeze them. And next time, on a lazy day, you just get them out of the freezer, put them in the frying pan, fry them, voila! Fresh croquettes. Nice. So we'll give it a little bit more time to cook well, because we want it to be nicely cooked. You don't want to hurry things when you cook. Okay, so as you can see, once that the bechamel unsticks from the pan like this, you know it's ready. If it's still sticking to the pan, then you know it's not ready. But when it is like this, you know, you move it, it sticks all together, see? Ready. And we go ready, steady, go. We're going to the next step. And the next step is we put our tray there. This is my tray, beautiful tray. Some people does it on a cloth. My mom used to do it on a tray. And what we do, we get our bechamel, see? It unsticks perfectly. And we spread it. Because what we need is, we need it to cool down. And the best way and fastest way to get something to cool down is to spread it, so it doesn't keep the heat so much. You will see lots of bits around. That's not flour, it's the fish, it's the cod. So we spread it well and we put it somewhere to cool. That's actually the cooker telling me that there's something on top of it. These intelligent cookers don't like anything unless it is a pot. So there you go. I'm gonna, yes, I know. So there you go. I'm gonna put it somewhere to cool down, and once that is completely cold, we will start making our croquetas. So the bechamel is cold now. In fact, it's frozen almost, because it's very cold, and I put it by the window to get it to cool down. And now what we are going to do, we're just gonna pinch bits of it, and we're going to make our croquettes or croquetas. See, like that. If you've seen my video of Saint's bones, these look very much like it. So we do like this with all of them. Croquettes. As if by magic, we are making croquettes for our tummies. And we'll do it with all of them. What do you think? See? Another one. Righty-ho! My croquettes are ready. The beaten egg is ready. And the breadcrumbs are ready to be used. Oil is almost there, so we're gonna start dipping our croquettes on the egg, in the egg. So one egg, and then breadcrumbs, egg, and then breadcrumbs. And once we do this, then we go straight into the oil. It has to be hot, remember, hot oil, the best friend when you're cooking, and more if you're cooking croquettes. And there we go. 1, 2, 3, and we do this with all of them. Yay! Right, so this is my last batch, and when they're brown, you just take them out. And these are brownie with a slotty spoon. You get them out, drain them as much as you can, and put them aside on paper so it absorbs the extra oil that they may have. But they're looking beautiful, and those steps that you hear are my children running around. How exciting, right? They want croquetas as well. So this is it, guys. Let's turn off the heat.
Make sure to leave a like and subscribe like always. And make sure to press that notification bell so each time you know when we upload new videos. Thanks.
Yes. So we hope you like them, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.